you.
Maureen!
Hold on.
They came to mom.
This is my Christmas present.
Alright, ready? They were.
And she liked it, so
Here we go. Mom! Listen.
Okay.
Okay. Louie and
Thank you,
I
Mom.
are gonna do the Who's on First routine. I'm Louie,
I'm going to be Lou Costello.
and I'm gonna be Bud.
Bud Abbott. Yep.
So
Okay, ready?
Go ahead.
Bud Costello, I'm going to New York with you. You know, Bucky Harris, the Yankees manager, gave me a job as a coach for as long as you're on the team.
Look, Abbott, if you're the coach, you must know all the players.
I certainly do.
Well, you know, I haven't met the guys, so you have to tell me their names, and then I'll know who's playing on the team.
Oh, I'll tell you their names. But, you know, it seems to me they give these ball players nowadays very peculiar names.
You mean funny names?
Strange names, pet names, like Dizzy Dean,
His brother Daffy,
Daffy Dean.
and their French cousin,
French?
Goofy.
Well, we have on the bags who's on first, what's on second, and I don't know's on third.
Well, that's what I want to find out.
I say, who's on first,
There
what's
we
on
go.
second, and I don't know's on third.
Are you the manager?
Yes.
You gonna be the coach too,
Yes.
and you don't know the fella's names.
Well, I should.
Well, then who's on first?
Yes.
I mean the fella's name.
Who?
The guy in first.
Who?
The first baseman.
Who?
The guy playing.
Who is on first?
I'm asking you who's on first.
That's the man's name.
That's whose name.
Yes.
Well, go ahead and tell me.
That's it.
That's it.
Yes.
Look, you got a first baseman.
Certainly.
Who's playing first?
That's right.
When you pay off the first baseman every month, who gets the money?
Every dollar of it.
All I'm trying to find out is the fellow's name on first base.
Who?
The guy that gets...
That's it.
Who gets the money?
He does. Every dollar. Sometimes his wife comes down and collects it.
Whose wife?
Yes. What's wrong with that?
Look, all I want to know is when you sign up the first baseman, how does he sign his name?
Who?
The guy.
That's how he signs it.
How does he sign?
Who?
All I'm trying to find out is what's the guy's name on first base.
No. What is on second?
I'm not asking who's on second.
Who's on first?
One base at a time.
Well, don't change the players around.
I'm not changing nobody.
Take it easy, buddy.
I'm only asking you, who's the guy on first base?
That's right.
Okay.
All right.
What's the guy's name on first base?
No. What is on second?
I'm not asking who's on second.
Who's on first?
I don't know.
He's on third. We're not talking about him.
Now, how did I get on third base?
You mentioned his name.
If you mentioned the third baseman's name, who did I say is playing third?
No. Who's playing first?
What's on second?
What?
And
Yeah.
What's on first?
What's on second?
I don't know.
He's on
There
third.
I go back on third. Would you just stay on third base and don't go off it?
All right. What do you want to know?
Now, who's playing third base?
Why do you insist on putting who on third base?
No. What am I putting on third?
No. What is on second?
You don't want who on second?
Who's on first?
I don't know.
Third base.
Look, you got an outfield.
Sw
The fielder's name?
Why?
I just thought I'd ask you.
Well, I just thought I'd tell you.
Who's playing first? I'm back, sorry. Then tell me who's playing left field.
Who's playing first?
I'm not... Stay out of the infield. I want to know what's the guy's name in left field.
No. What is on second?
I'm not asking who's on second.
Who's on first?
I don't know.
Third base.
The left fielder's name.
Why?
Sorry. Because.
Say why.
I know. Because.
Oh, he's center field.
Look, you got a pitcher on the team.
Sure.
The pitcher's name.
Tomorrow.
You don't want to tell me today?
I'm telling you now.
Then go ahead.
Tomorrow.
What time?
What time or what?
What time tomorrow are you going to tell me who's pitching?
Now listen. Who is not pitching?
I'll break your arm. You said who's on first. I want to know what's the pitcher's name.
What's on second?
I don't know. Third base. Got the catcher?
Certainly.
The catcher's name?
Today.
Today and tomorrow's pitching.
Now you've got it.
I'll be out a couple of days on the team. You know, I'm a catcher too.
So they tell me.
I get behind the plate to do some fancy catching. Tomorrow's pitching on my team, and a heavy hitter gets up. And when the heavy hitter bunts the ball, when he bunts the ball, me being a good catcher, I'm going to throw it at the guy in first base. So I pick up the ball and throw it to who?
Now that's the first thing you said right.
I don't even know what I'm talking about.
That's all you have to do.
It's to throw the ball to first base.
Yes.
Now who has got it?
Naturally.
Look, if I throw the ball to first base, somebody's got to get it. Now who has it?
Naturally.
Who?
Naturally.
Naturally?
Naturally.
So pick up the ball and throw it to naturally.
No, you don't. You throw the ball to who?
Naturally.
That's different.
That's what I said.
You're not saying it.
I throw the ball to naturally.
You throw it to who?
Naturally.
That's it.
That's what I said.
You ask me.
I throw the ball to who?
Naturally.
Now you ask me.
You throw the ball to who?
Naturally.
That's it.
Same as you. Same as you. I throw the ball to who? Whoever it is drops the ball and the guy runs a second, picks up the ball, and throws it to what? What throws it to? I don't know. I don't know. Throws it to back to tomorrow. Triple play. Another guy someone hits a long ball on because why? I don't know. He's out there and I don't give a darn.
What?
I said I don't give a darn.
Oh, that's our shortstop.